What is up, Scrappers, Tool Addicts, Tool Collectors? How's everybody doing tonight? It's Thursday, about 8 o'clock, and I just wanted to do a sneak peek on the next restoration this Saturday. It's this pair of Linemans that I got from the flea market, and I thought they were Kreuters, but I can't see too good close up, and the maker's mark's very faded. But I wrote it down on this box. Utica 50-8 USA Linemans. But just holding these in my hand, like, this is going to be a tough resto for me because I've never done a Linemans before. I mean, more or less of wire wheeling them, hitting them with some WD-40 and or PB Blaster, and putting them right back to work. But I'm never going to go into detail, and I'm going to try to keep it. You'll see. I'll do my best on it. But there's a lot of intricate obstacles, so to speak. And also, too, we did this. I'm still getting over bronchitis, you guys, so if I start coughing, you'll understand. So, last week I did this wooden-handled screwdriver, and I got like 540 something views on it, and thank you all for watching it, and thank you. It's amazing that many people actually watched it. And also too, between the both videos I put up last week, between my angle grinder, the Harbor Freight, and then this screwdriver restoration, I got the most comments I think I've ever had since I've been doing YouTube for about 4 years now. And it was really cool. And also, too, I wanted to mention before I forget, these Uticas 357 Magdad. I wrote everything I want to talk about because I'll forget. Let's just say my short-term memory is not what it used to be. So 357 Magdad did a pair of super grip parrot pliers from Utica. And he said, we were chatting back and forth, and he said next week he's going to do a one on Camillus. It's a restoration for a Camillus plier, which is 10 miles down the road from me. And I'm from Syracuse, New York, and Camillus is literally down the road. Utica's like 40 miles away. And also, too, I wanted to touch on some of these comments that I got. And please don't get me wrong, I'm not crapping on anybody or shitting on anybody or anything like that. I just thought these were hilarious. Some were sarcastic, but it's kind of like what I would have said too, and it's kind of my sense of humor, so I want to highlight them. I'm going to say your guys' names because my channel is public, and if you watch the video, you're going to see the name in the comments and everything, so it is what it is. Excuse me. So let's kick right off with, he goes by David, and at the Beef Slayer. Okay, bro. Are you a cattle rancher? Or are you a straight-up beef slayer? That's correct. Okay, bro. You got my attention. So you said when I cut that aluminum can up to make that guard for the wood so that it doesn't, with the wire wheel so it doesn't screw up the handle, that it was a messy pain in the ass and I should use HVAC tape. You are correct. It was a messy pain in the ass because old Ccscraps cannot cut a straight line. It's just the way it is. But yeah, it was a pain in the ass, and I did think about the HVAC tape, but I don't have any. But yeah, thank you for your comment. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all you people that have commented. Thank you for taking the time out to watch my video. I mean, that takes time. It was like, 20 minutes or something. So yeah, I mean, that's 20 minutes of your day that you sat down and watched my video. I thank you. I really do appreciate it. Okay, so I'm crossing them off as we go. We got 357 Magdad. Excuse me, see? Oh, goodness gracious. What a pain in the neck. So we got the Beef Slayer, he's done. Stephen Bradley. This is a good one. You said that when I did my tool review video on the angle grinder from Harbor Freight that I should do a video on a store that sells decent cameras. So I think that you're telling me that my camera sucks, and you are correct. You get a gold star, my friend, because I'm using my cell phone. That's why. And the knockoff GoPro I bought for $50 a few years back sucks worse than this phone does. So we're kind of in a rock and a hard place, and I'm kind of doing different camera angles to make up for the crappiness of the quality. But I can't afford a GoPro. They're expensive, dude. They're like $700, bro. Like, you know, I got a mortgage and a car payment and all sorts of stuff going on. So it is what it is. So hopefully we'll keep watching. I'd like you to keep watching. So let's see. We got Stephen Bradley. Armed legally. We had a conversation back and forth. If I pissed you off, dude, sorry, but my whole point of that conversation was, or not the conversation, but the video, or not the video, but the comment that I made on the video about cheaper labor and an inferior product is, I don't want to rely on China for everything or a lot of things, because obviously the way the world's going, US and China, their relationship isn't that great. And they got little Kim Jong-un that's a little thorn poking everybody like the bear. I'd like to kick him right in his nuts. Stop with your people, bro. Like, come on, man. You're fat, they're skinny. There's a problem, bro. Get real, dude. Seriously. Whatever. We didn't even have a Kim Jong-un, but he just kind of like popped up because of the whole China, North Korea. Let me just stop. Yeah, let's check him off. Let's see. Jay Black, you said that the screwdriver your dad had a bunch of screwdrivers annoying him. They were probably cheap. Maybe they were, maybe they weren't, but you are correct. They hold up like a MF, dude. So I found this one in a, I think, I want to say it might have been in a pail I picked up on the street with some bullets and some other stuff. I found some weird things in there, a lot of brass. The way the shank is, when they designed this screwdriver, they knew that you were going to use it the wrong way. So when you pry up on a screwdriver, if the shank is this way, is offset with the or level with the tip, you're going to get a better pry. It's going to be stronger than it would be if it was this way. You see what I'm saying? But yeah. Thank you for the comment, man. Hope you're staying safe, and thank you for watching. I don't know if you're subscribed to my channel or not. I've got close to 500 now, and it's like, I don't know a lot of, I'll see a sub come up and I don't know who you are. It just doesn't show it. So if you guys are subscribed, thank you. If you're not, please do. Crush the bell, like, subscribe, and share. Just kidding. Let's see where we're at here. George, you want to watch? Great pipe wrench resto, man. That's crazy. Let me show you my collection of pipe wrenches. A few of them I bought. Like this one I got. This is a Harbor Freight. I got this wrench before I got the bigger ones. This big ass one right here, dude, was given to me. Guy's gonna toss it. I'm like, nope. This one, this is a rigid. This I found in a basement clean out in a puddle of water. Like, I don't know why I reached my hand in this water for some reason. I was like, you know, let me just reach in here and see what's going on. And I came up with a pipe wrench. It was like noodling, but grabbing a pipe wrench instead of a catfish. There's these, and then check out this big pipe cutter. This pipe cutter here. This pipe cutter, I believe. This workbench right here that my hand's on was all on the side of the freaking road, man. Can you believe it? I couldn't. This is like some old, like, mom and pop, like, granddaddy's workbench right here, man. So we'll have a new life. Whoops. Oopsie. And I don't want to forget, like, Ian Matthews, K&D Scrapping. You know, when it comes to you heavy hitters in the micro scrapping, you want to watch these guys, man. Definitely. George, you want to watch, like I said, great pipe wrench, great restos. Check out his channel. Big Vic's Workshop. What's the other one I like? Tool Scouter. And Brian McGuire, axes. He does a lot of axes. God, there's more. I just can't think of them right now. Scout Crafter. Thanks for all the tips, dude. I mean, if you got to watch his channel. The guy knows a lot about a whole lot. And also too, what I find really cool is this dude's got like 30,000 something subscribers, and with a person with that many subscribers, you think that they wouldn't be able to like answer you back or give you a tip or this and that, and the dude comes right out there. He's like one of the first 2 or 3 people watches my videos, and that I appreciate, man. Thank you for taking the time out and helping everybody out. I'm sure that you've inspired a lot of people. At least you've inspired me to work on these damn Uticas, dude. Well, on that note, excuse me. You're right, George. I need a hot toddy. Just not now. It's too late. I got to work in the morning. No drinking. So I'll get this video up, and we'll see you this weekend with the Uticas. See you on the next one. Ccscraps. Stay safe. Peace.